Hi students, welcome to Sunni's tutorial. I am Sunni Mirwani and today we will be doing this chapter called as cash management. Let's see this. We are going to do question number 21. They've asked in the book solve, they haven't given you the name of the person. Cash budget. Particulars. They've asked you to prepare a cash budget for 3 months for the quarter ending 31st March. Quarter ending 31st March means you have to make for Jan, Feb and March, right? Opening balance, add receipts less payments, closing balance. Right, let's start. They've said that 10% of the purchases are on cash. 10% of the sales and purchases are on cash. Credit to debtors 1 month on an average of 50% of the debtors. 1 month on an average, 50% of the debtors make payment on the due date, while rest make payment 1 month thereafter. Credit from creditors, it is estimated. Okay, let's start. Let's see the working note. Working note 1. Let's consider sales. They give you data for November, December, Jan, Feb and March. The data is 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs and 6 lakhs. Right? Next, they are saying that 10% of the sales are for cash. Less 10% cash. So that is going to be 50,000, 60,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000. So in that case, credit sales is 4,50,000, 5,40,000, 3,60,000, 4,50,000, 5,40,000. Right? Okay. Now 10% of the sales and purchases are on cash. Credit to debtors is 1 month. On an average, 50% of the debtors make payment on the due date, while the rest make payment 1 month thereafter. This is the credit sales. Now this credit sales should come in 1 month. This is your credit sales for 1 month. But everybody is not paying payment in 1 month. Only half of them are making payment in 1 month and the balance half will make in the next month. So out of this, within 1 month, the payment that I'll get and the balance I'll get after another 1 month. So 50%, 2,25,000, 2,25,000, then 2,70,000 and 2,70,000, 1,80,000 and 1,80,000, 2,25,000 and 2,25,000, 2,70,000 and 2,70,000. Right, now that's it. Yes, let's see this. Let's record this entry, guys. Cash sales. Cash sales is always in the month. So Jan cash sales are 40,000, Feb cash sales are 50,000, March cash sales are 60,000. Right? Next, credit sales. Credit sales, 1 month credit. 1 month credit. That means December's payment I'm going to get in Jan. So that is 2,70,000. Right? Jan's payment I'm going to get in Feb. That's 1,80,000. And Feb's payment I'm going to get in March. That's 2,25,000. Right? Then 2 months credit. That means November's payment I'm going to get after 2 months. That's Jan. Then December's payment I'm going to get in Feb. And Jan's payment I'm going to get in March. Right, so this is done. Next, 10% of the purchases are for cash. Working note 2. Purchases November, December, Jan, Feb, March. Purchases are given to you as 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs and 1 lakh. Right? Next, 10% is for cash. There's 10% cash. That is 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 20,000 and 10,000. So in that case, credit is going to be 90,000, 1 lakh 80,000, 2 lakh 70,000, 1 lakh 80,000 and 90,000. Fine. Right. Now, credit from creditors is 2 months. 1% cash discount if the payment is made within 1 month. It is estimated that 50% of the creditors will be paid within 1 month. Right? So now this is my credit payment that I have to make, out of which 50% I am going to make in 1 month. Less 1 month and 2 months. So this is 45,000, 45,000, 90,000, 90,000. This is going to be 135. 1 lakh 35,000, 1 lakh 35,000. This is 90,000 and 90,000. And this is 45,000 and 45,000. Now 1 month credit purchase are subject to 1% discount, cash discount. 1 month credit purchase. 1 month credit purchases 45,000, 90,000, 1 lakh 35,000, 90,000 and 45,000. This is subject to 1% cash discount. 1% cash discount 450, 900, 1350, 900, 450. 44,550. Some of these go on cross checking. 89,100, 1 lakh 35, 1 lakh 34, 1 lakh 33, 650. This is 89,100 and this is 44,550. Right? Let's make the entry for this. Cash purchase. Cash purchase is for Jan is 30,000, for Feb is 20,000, for March is 10,000. Credit purchase 1 month. 1 month credit purchase is, that means December's payment I will make in Jan, which is going to be 89,100. Jan's payment I am going to make in Feb, 1,33,650. Feb's payment I am going to make in March, that is 89,100 again. Right? Then 2 months. November's payment I am going to make in Jan, 45,000. December's payment I am going to make in Feb, 90,000. Jan's payment I am going to make in March, 1,35,000. Right? So your purchases are done. Next, lag in payment of wages is 15 days. Wages. Right? 15 days. That means half of it is going to be collected in the same month and half of it is going to be collected in the next month. So same and next, right? Wages are given to you for Jan 2,20,000. So that means 1,10,000 will be paid in the same month and 1,10,000 will be paid in the next month. Similarly, Feb is again 2,20,000. So 1,10,000 in the same month and 1,10,000 in the next month. Then March is 2,40,000. So 1,20,000 in the same month. Similarly, in the month of December, my wages was 2 lakhs. So 1 lakh I must have paid in December and 1 lakh I'll pay in March. Sorry, 1 lakh I'll pay in Jan. Next, expenses generally paid in the same month. That means expenses are to be paid in the same month. Now expenses for the month of Jan are 50,000. For the month of March, Feb is 50,000 and March is 50,000. So 50,000 for all the 3 months. Right? Next, plant costing 1 lakh installed on 31st Jan on payment of 25% of the cost in addition to installation charges of 5,000. Right? Plant installed. Now the cost of the plant is given to you as 1 lakh. 25% of that is going to be 25,000. So 25,000 I have to pay for the plant plus 5,000 installation charges. That means 30,000 I have to pay in the month of Jan. Right? It is installed in Jan. Now they are saying that balance in 3 monthly installments. Balance in 3 monthly installments from the following month, including interest 12% on the unpaid balance amount. Let's see this working note. Balance of plant on 1st Feb. I had purchased the plant for 1 lakh, out of which 25,000 I paid in the month of Jan. So my balance is going to be 75,000, on which I have to pay an interest of 12% for 1 month. That means for the month of Feb I will have to pay an interest of 750 rupees. Right? Now balance of plant on 1st March. Out of that 75,000, 25,000 I am going to pay in the month of Feb. So as on 1st March, the balance will be 50,000, on which 12% for 1 month. That's going to be 500 rupees. For the month of March, my interest is going to be 500. So when I pay, guys, see this. In the month of Feb, I will have to pay 25,000 for the plant and 750 for interest. So 25,750. Similarly, in the month of March, 25,000 is my installment and 500 is interest. So 25,500 I will pay. Next, cash balance on 1st Jan is 2 lakhs. Cash balance on 1st Jan is 2 lakhs. Right? Let's start tallying, guys.
Could you explain me this thing once again, the plant intro 2575?
2575. How much is my installment every month? 25,000.
Also like that you
plus the interest,
okay.
Right? Someone please help me add this. That's my total A, that's my total B, and that's my total A minus B. Right? My total A. Someone please tell me how much is total A?
735,000.
7,35,000. Someone tell me my total B. Someone please add the total of B and tell me how much is it? It's 4 lakh.
454. 100.
So A minus B is going to be 2,80,900. Right? Whatever is the closing balance of Jan will be the opening balance of Feb, 2,80,900. Add all that. So when you add all that, 2,80,900, 50,000, 180 and 270, you will get 7,80,900. Now similarly at the payment side, that is at the payment side, when you add your payment side, you have 20,000, then you have 1,33,650 plus 90,000 plus 110 plus 110 plus 50 plus 25,750. I presume that addition is 5,39,400. The difference between the two, A minus B, is 2,41,500. Take this here, 2,41,500. Now at the receipt side, that is 241,500 plus 60 plus 225 plus 180 should give you 706,500. At the payment side, that is 10,000 plus 89,100 plus 1,35,000 plus 1,20,000 plus 1,10 plus 50 plus 25,500 is 539,600. A minus B is 166,900. That will be your closing balance on in the month of March, right? That finishes the sum. We'll stop this here for the day. Thank you very much.